Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of GBP New Zealand, GBPNZD. This is daily chart. Now this was the low. The market was coming in downtrend. This was the low. Then went up to this high and this is the resistance. After this rejection from this resistance came downward and again went up to this resistance. This is the resistance. Third time again went up to this resistance, and after this resistance came downward and broke this low. This low was broken on this day. After breaking this low, went up, and this resistance now sent it downward. Now this is downward and has continued its downward trend. But one thing, let us analyze that will it go back to retest any level or not. I don't think that this will go up anymore, because let us see what is happening here. Let me put horizontal line here. This, after coming downward, breaking this low, went up to here. This is the resistance and this is the retest of this level. After that it is coming down, and I am expecting that it won't go back to retest any level. If it goes back and breaks this level, then it can go to retest again this level. But I don't think that this resistance will be broken, because after going many times upward, this has broken the low and retested and went up to this resistance and being rejected from here. So GBP New Zealand is downward and it is coming down. This is just my analysis, but one thing is quite clear: I don't hesitate. This is my swing trading strategy and I am telling you everything as it is my strategy. Nothing I am hiding, because my aim is to make 1 million profitable traders through my strategy, through my this channel. So I want to reach 1 million subscribers, a forex trading channel that has 1 million subscribers, and I will try my best to make as much traders profitable as possible. And the minimum target that I have set for me is 1 million profitable traders. So please, I am not recommending, I am not saying that you enter here. I am just giving my analysis that is quite sincere. At least you may follow this. What happens, what this pair do, what this pair does in the future. And please, if you are watching this, watch the full video, and after watching this, follow this pair, what happens. And you, if you are satisfied with this, you subscribe to this channel and recommend this to others and share this. And please like this video, subscribe my channel. Okay, one thing, that let us see how far this pair can go downward, because these levels that we see on the left side, this is past. Market moves according to the current market conditions. Now let us see this on the weekly level, weekly and monthly, because I want to break down this trade, this my analysis. Now you see here, no monthly resistance now. Sorry, not resistance but support. We will have to see only this week. sorry for this. Let me please see with full focus and full this video the way I am going to explain the next target. The target is too big. Up to this, on the weekly time frame, we don't have any whatsoever any stable resistance. These are the levels, though I believe this, but the original level is this that we can take as level. Let us break down this on monthly. In monthly, let us watch this in monthly. Monthly, still we have this target. Let us see. In the daily, we must have the levels on daily time frame and 4 hours, no doubt. But let us open this and see daily time frame levels. On the daily time frame, we have the first support here. We have the next daily support at, let me put the horizontal line here. This is the first daily support here. This is the first 1.8781. The currencies don't move direct. It won't come directly here. This is a swing trade. It will keep going up and down. This way it will keep going. Not directly in 1 day or 1 week it will come here, but won't go back, will keep coming gradually, slowly. And sometimes you would see the USD chef downward move that was very quick. So what happens? The market conditions will let us know in the next few days, in the next 2 weeks. But the first level at the first support at the daily time frame is 1.87818. And in the 4-hour time frame, let us see the level, the next support in the 4-hour level. In the 4-hour time frame, let us see which one is the support. We have a support here in the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, we have support. This here is the support. 4-hour time frame support is at, what am I doing? Because this is quite sorry. No, we don't have any support for our support. This is too much, too down that I was about to go. This is the same. I am going to clear it. Traders, watch my channel with love, like it and subscribe it. Why are you hesitating? Don't hesitate to subscribe this lovely channel. This is your channels, the traders channels. Now let me explain. This same is the 4-hour level. No 4-hour level we have. This isn't. No. We have same daily, and the first daily and 4-hour level, 4-hour support is the same. Is the same at this 1.87818. So it looks quite nice to short this, but please keep in mind, this is not any financial advice. This is just my analysis. It's all up to you whether you enter or not. But one thing that I want to request you all, please follow my channel, see what happens, subscribe my this channel and share with others. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.